Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Class 10, Chapter number 13. The topic is the component of the human skeleton. Babies are born 300 soft bones and then fused together. Adult skeleton has 206 bones. Part of the skeleton, number 1 is the axial skeleton. Bones are organized and in the longitudinal axis. Axial skeleton consists of 80 bones. These bones are the bones of the skull and the bones. Skull has 22 bones, the middle ear has 6 bones, higher bone 1 and vertebral column 33 and chest has 24 ribs. Means 12 pair of the ribs are present left and right side of your body. The skull and the pectoral girdle and the rib cage. These are present in this area. Now the bones of the skull. The bone of the skulls are frontal, one frontal, two parietal, two temporal, one occipital means the back and one is the ethmoid bone. These are the bone of the skull. Means 22 bones out of which 8 are cranial. The next one is your facial bone. In the facial bone you have the 2 nasal, 2 lacrimal and nasal, maxilla, mandible, vomer, zygomatic and palatine bone. These are the name of the bones. Okay, the next one is the component of the human skeleton. The human skeleton has when we talk about the ear, the middle ear ossicle has 6 bones. 3 are shown by the small bones, the soft small bones, and these are the outside. Then when we count them, then this becomes a 6 in number. Higher bone, the 1 bone. In the mammals, the upper jaw is fixed and the skull is composed of the 2 bones. The lower is mobile and articulate with the skull. So these are the ribs, the true ribs, the false ribs and the vertebral connecting ribs. The pectoral girdle and the pelvic girdle are present in the appendicular skeleton, attachment of the axial skeleton. The pectoral girdle, your shoulder girdle also, is made up of 4 bones. Arm has 6 bones, both hand has 54 bones. These are total about your body bones. The number that your hand has radius and ulna, the components of the human skeleton, pelvic girdle, which is having the 2 bones, the 6 in the legs and 54 in your feet. This is total about the bones, the components of the human skeleton through which you can move by the bones, which is the hardest connective tissue in the body, and you can able to move.